Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Sack. Sack means dismiss from employment. For example, any official found to be involved would be sacked on the spot. Any official found to be involved would be sacked on the spot. Synonyms: dismiss, give someone their notice, throw out.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. His wife leaves him, and his employers sack him. Now, repeat after me. His wife leaves him, and his employers sack him. The second exempli. Wang's mausoleum was sacked soon after his kingdom was toppled. Now, repeat after me. Wang's mausoleum was sacked soon after his kingdom was toppled. The third exempli. In 1204 the Crusaders and Venetians attacked Constantinople and sacked the city. Now, repeat after me. In 1204 the Crusaders and Venetians attacked Constantinople and sacked the city.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.